Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back with another episode of Action Figure Unboxing with Steve. Today I have 3 more packages to open. I'll go back to doing the regular order of smallest to largest. Not much more to say other than let's get to it and crack this thing open. Because I like saying it. Okay, so you might have been able to tell from the size of the package that this is not an action figure, but a DVD, and it is the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1. So I'm really happy to finally add this one to the shelf. I started collecting all the DVDs in order of chronological order that they were released from the MCU, so I'm working my way. I have Phase 1 completed, and I'm working into Phase 2. So that is a nice purchase. I'm happy with that. Next, we'll go through this medium-sized package. It is not debit paper, despite what it says. This is an action figure. Here we go. And here I have the Captain America, or not Captain America, Captain America 3 Civil War Spider-Man. So this is the Tom Holland version, how he appears in Civil War. So with the classic black and white blue suit with the eyes that shift in and out. It looks pretty good in the package. I see he comes with whipping hands. He comes with a Tom Holland head, which is nice. Looks like they didn't paint the lines in the suit, but that's not a big deal. Yeah, this is the Infinite Saga series, so it's a nice collector's edition for all the grown-ups out there. And here I have a dirty box. It's been kicking around for a little while, but let's get to it and crack this big one open. I'm really happy with that Spider-Man. I didn't react that much, but I'm really happy with him. I would have liked to get the, what is it called, the Iron Spider, where he's got the red and blue mech suit that Tony Stark made him with the extra arms on it, but I didn't see that one available yet. This is some cool packaging. I've not seen this before. Whoa, and here I have another Infinity Saga 2-pack this time of the Iron Man 3 Happy Hogan and the Iron Man Mark 21. So this one I'm also really happy to have. Of course, that's Jon Favreau's head sculpt. Looking really good here. And then the Midas suit, or the Mark 21, also looks really good. It looks like it might be based off of the Mark 2 or the Mark 3, but I'll take a closer look at it in my comparison review coming up on the channel. Hit the subscribe button so you stay up to date for that. Wow, yeah, I'm really happy with all of these purchases. So, yeah. Hit the like button if you like seeing these unboxing style videos. Hit the subscribe button so you stay up to date on everything Marvel Legends coming from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.